Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Noble UK Academy. This evening, we want to further from where we stopped the other time. I still want to give more explanation on differentiation. The essence of this is to aid proper understanding. But before then, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you share the link of my YouTube channel with other students out there. So now let's look at this question. It said given that f prime x, this f prime x means dy dx, is equal to ln f of x plus change in x minus f of x all divided by change in x, as change in x tends to 0, and f of x is given as this. Now the equation says find f prime x, that is dy dx. Find dy dx of this function, and then after that you find f prime 1. This f prime 1 means that, of course, your f prime is already your dy dx. So f prime 1 meaning that anywhere you see x, substitute it for 1. It's as simple as that. Now, when looking at this, it's obvious that what we are having here is actually, okay, we can use differentiation from first principle. So many students find it difficult to, articulate questions that has to do with differentiation from first principle. Now, let me show you the easiest way to it. Don't forget, while I was explaining, I said this means dy dx. I will say solution. Let f prime x be equal to dy dx, and then f of x, let it be equal to y. Okay, so if that being the case, it becomes obvious that for this equation, which is f of x, I don't want to use f of x, I'm going to use y. Meaning that instead of saying f of x is equal to this, I'm going to say y is equal to 2x minus 3 over 3x plus 4. So by reason of this, I'm now going to differentiate using first principle method. For every y, there is one change in y. For every x, there is change in x. So for y, I'm going to have y plus change in y is equal to 2x. For every x, there is change in x. Okay? Then minus 3 all over 3x. For every x, there is change in x. Okay? And then plus 4. As simple as that. Now, I'm going to transfer this y to this side of the equation, that is to the right hand side of the equation. By virtue of that, I will be left with changing y is equals to 2, opening the bracket. This is 2 times x gives me 2x, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times change in x, that is 2 change in x. What am I left with here? Minus 3 over, this time this gives me 3x plus 3 change in x. As you say, 3 times x plus 3 times change in x. This is it. Then plus 4. This 4. Then, mind you, I'm transferring this y to this side. So y moving to this side becomes minus y. So by virtue of that, I have changing y giving me 2x plus 2 change in x minus 3 all over 3x plus 3 change in x plus 4 and minus y. What is my y? From the equation, we say let y be equal to this, which means that I'm substituting it. Y is giving me 2x minus 3 over 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 close the brackets. Okay? So by virtue of this, I'm gonna open up the brackets. Okay? Now, so I'm gonna have change. So here now, we're gonna find the LCM of this and this. Okay? So I'm gonna have my change in y, which is this, is equals to. Now looking for the LCM of this and this, it simply means this multiplied by this. Okay? So that will give me 3x plus 3 change in x plus 4, then into bracket this, which is 3x plus 4. That is the LCM. So coming here, this, we cancel out this. I will be left with this. So this will multiply this. I'm going to have 2x plus 2 changes x minus 3 into bracket 3x plus 4. That is that. Minus this. So this go into this. This will cancel this. I'm left with this. So this will multiply with this. So I'm going to have 2x minus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 3 changing x then plus 4. That is that. Okay? So now we open up this. I have changed in y giving me 2x, 3x multiply this. That will give me 3x multiply this, that will give me 6x squared. Okay, 3x multiply this, that will give me 6x changing x. Okay, 3x multiply this, that will give me minus 9x. Minus 9x. This is x. Minus 9x. Okay? Now, I'm done with 3x, so I move to 4. 4 multiply 2x, that will give me 8x. 4 multiply this, that will give me 8 changing x. Okay? 4 multiply this, that will give me minus 12. So I'm done with this. I'll come down to this. This multiply this, that will give me. Okay, I'll put my minus 2x multiply this, that will give me 6x squared. 2x multiply this, that will give me 6x changing x. Okay? 2x multiply this, that will give me 8x. This is 8x. Okay, I'm done with this. So I move to the next one. Minus 3 times this, that will give me minus 9x. Minus 3 times this, that will give me minus 9 changing x. Minus 3 times this, that will give me minus 12. So close the bracket all over the denominator. All over the denominator. Okay, so that gives me the denominator, which is change 3x plus 3 changing n plus 4 then into 3x plus 4. That is the denominator. So with this, we'll open up this bracket now. So I'm having change in y giving me 6x. So here we already have minus 9x. Minus 9x. So the next is plus 8x. Plus 8x followed by plus 8 change in x, then minus 12, and then here we have this minus is gonna open up this bracket. Minus times this will give me minus 6x squared. Minus times this will give me minus 6x change in x. This is 6x change in x. Okay? Minus times this will give me minus 8x minus 8x. Okay? Minus times this will give me plus 9x. Okay? Minus times this will give me plus 9 change in x. And finally, minus times minus 12 will give me plus 12. Okay? So now comparing all what we are having, all over the denominator, the denominator which is 3x plus 3 change in x plus 4 into brackets 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. Okay, so by virtue of this, we're gonna compare what we have here. You can see this is plus 6x squared. This is positive, this is negative, so this one gets rid of this. Okay, I'm comparing. This is positive, this is negative, so this one gets rid of this. Okay, this is negative, this is positive, so this one gets rid of this. Okay, this is positive, this is negative, this one gets rid of this. Okay, is there any other thing that will get rid? Yes, this is positive 12, this is negative 12, so this gets rid of this. So at the end of the day, we are left with plus 8 change in x plus 9 change in x. So change in y gives us 8 change in x plus 9 change in x all over the denominator, which is 3x plus 3 change in x plus 4 into bracket 3x plus 4. So at this point now, I'm gonna divide everything. That is to say, divide the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation by change in x. So by virtue of that, it means that this will be divided by change in s, which give me change in y over change in s. Then the whole of this will be divided by change in x, which is still the same thing as multiplying it by 1 over change in x. Still the same thing. So better still, before I do that, see what I'm gonna do. Change in y is equals to this. Mind you, this is 8 change in s plus 9 change in s. What is common there? Change in s. So I'll bring it outside. This one gives me 8 plus 9, which is what? 17. So this one is as good as 17 change in x. Okay, let me put it this way. 17 change in x over 3x plus 3 change in x plus 4. Okay, then open bracket 3x plus 4. Now at this point, I'm dividing everything by changing s, which means this one, dividing it is as good as saying multiply it by 1 over changing s, which is still the same thing as dividing it by changing s, because changing y times 1 is still changing y over changing s. So what I did to this side, I also do to this side, multiply by 1 over change in x. So by virtue of this, you find out that change in s is up, change in s is down. So this one will cancel out this. So what am I left with here? Change in y. This is change in y over change in s, giving me 17 over 3x plus 3 change in s plus 4. Mind you, at this point, we are taking lim. We are taking lim plus 4, okay? Taking lim. At the point of taking lim, changing y, taking lim, that is limit. At the point of taking lim, changing y over changing s tends to the y, the x, and changing y tends to 0, and also change in s tends to 0. So having known this, it becomes very simple for what we already having. At the point of taking in, changing y over changing s gives us the y, the s. And changing y tends to 0, that is to say changing y has become 0, changing s has equally become 0. So I'm going over to this. Instead of me saying now, changing y over changing s is equal to this. Mind you, we have taken lim, meaning that changing y over changing s has tends to the y, the s. So what we have now is the y, the x is equals to 17 over 3x. 3x plus 3 changing s. Mind you, 3 changing x. Changing s has become 0. So there's no point writing 3 changing s because changing s has become 0. Then plus 4. This is the form I'm talking about. Close the bracket. Then here now we have 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. So at the end of the day we have the y, the x is equal to 17 all over 3x plus 4. The whole of this has become 0 because 3 times 0 is 0. So what we are left with here is 3x plus 4 into bracket 3x plus 4. This 3x plus 4. Close the bracket. So at the end of the day, the y, the x has become this. This the y, the x at the beginning, I told us it actually means f prime x is now f prime s is equal to this. This is the answer. Okay, there's no point repeating it here. I will just say hence f prime x. So that is the answer for that. Now coming back, the second question said we should find f prime 1. This f prime 1 means anywhere you see your x, your s has become 1. So we know that our dy dx is the same thing as f prime x. So the y ds, I can still use this as the y ds, okay, but there's no point to using the y ds. Let me just use f prime 1 is now equals to 17 over 3x means 3 into 1. Anywhere you see s, put 1 plus 4 into bracket 3x, which is 1 plus 4, close the bracket. So at the end of the day, this one gives us 17 over 3 times 1, 3 plus this 7, which is 7 into bracket. This is also 7. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. So at the end of the day, this one gives us 17 over 7 times 7, 49. Hence the solution. Hence the solution. So I want to believe that this question, the solution I provided here, had found you helpful. It is helpful. So whenever you see questions like this, you needn't entertain fear. Just follow it calmly, step by step, according to the format or an idea I have dropped here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you share the link of my channel with other students out there. Keep talking about Saken Nnaji on YouTube till we meet again. Thank you.